How to use AutoZone FixFinder diagnostic tool. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can use AutoZone FixFinder diagnostic tool. Well, to use AutoZone FixFinder service, it diagnoses check engine, ABS, and maintenance lights by plugging a handheld tool into your car's OBD2 port. This service provides a comprehensive technician verified report detailing likely causes, recommended parts, and repair advice in under a minute. Well, you won't be able to do it online whatsoever, so it's a in-store service. You'll have to know that. You want to drive to your local AutoZone, or you can visit a store, ask an employee for the free FixFinder service, or request to borrow the scan tool. Then find your car's data link connector, that is DLC, usually located under the driver's side dashboard. Plug the FixFinder tool into your OBD2 port. Once you have done so, you want to turn on the ignition but do not start the engine. The device will automatically connect and scan for codes, that is VIN, odometer, and system diagnostics. Then take the tool back to the AutoZone employee to receive a printed or emailed report detailing the necessary parts and potential fixes. Hope this video was helpful and informative. Do like and subscribe.